Welcome, construction explorers. Today we're meeting our heavy-duty friends on the job site. Vroom, vroom!
Whoa, did you see that? Our trucks are zooming through a magical light portal. Zap!
She went a shot. Oh, diddy, oh, diddy, oh, diddy.
Look at these mysterious shadows. Can you guess which mighty machine belongs to each outline?
I think the cement mixer goes in the square shape. Wait, is that right?
Not quite silly. The cement mixer needs its big spinning drum. Let's find the right piece together. Yes! Click! That piece fits perfectly into our hard-working digger. You're doing amazing, team! Every truck is back in action. The crane is tall, the pump is ready, and the mixer is spinning. Oh my God!
I knew you could do it. You're a master puzzle builder. High five.
Nice.
Look at those fireworks. You've successfully finished our construction challenge. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more fun. Puzzle explorers! Our yellow dinosaur friend is here to help us build some super cool construction vehicles today.
Whoa, look at those shadows, kids. Is that a giant spaceship? Wait, it's a truck, right?
Not quite. That's our hard-working digger and a big dump truck. Let's find their missing pieces together.
Ready?
Click! That piece fits perfectly into our jolly garbage truck. Great job spotting the match, everyone!
Uh-oh, that piece is too big for the road roller.
no.
Try the other one, guys. You can do it!
Nice.
Vroom vroom. Let's slide that crane arm right into place. Can you point to the crane on your screen? Look at that. The hard-working digger is coming to life. Keep going. We are almost finished. Amazing!
Almost there.
Yay!
Just one more wheel for our mighty dump truck. Give me a big drum roll, please.
No.
Nope.
Ting! Every piece is in its home. You guys are absolute puzzle masters. Beep, beep. Our construction team is ready for action. High fives all around for a job well done.
You did it! Our construction friends look so happy. Thanks for playing with us today. You're the best.
Vroom, vroom. Look at those 3 monster bikes roaring across the bridge.
Whoa, where did they go? They've turned into mysterious shadows in the garage.
Hold on to your hats, everyone. It's a magical power-up sequence. Zap pow! Okay, team. These monster bikes need their wheels back. Can you spot the missing parts?
Is that a square wheel? No way, buddy. It has to be round to roll.
Amazing.
Great eye! Point to the screen and help us snap that gear into place. Click!
Oh, yeah!
One more wheel to go. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3!
Boom! The final piece is in. Look at those amazing monsters shine.
Yes! Sitting in metal positions, can they bump up and take that lead away from Josh Sheehan? This is Rob Adelberg.
I just think when this run is all said and done, because Rob has a really good flow around the
Check out those fireworks! You did a fantastic job helping our bike friends get ready for the road.
Whoa, look at that real-life rider go. Those stunts are super high flying.
And watch out, he's also got that double backflip in his arsenal as well.
That was such one great trick.
And both of these guys are looking to do it right out of the gate. There's the double. So you're
Practice to come out with a front flip, right into a double backflip. You've got to calm yourself down.
But it was the 5-time best winning gold medalist Jared McNeil that was on point from start to finish. And he comes out of this one as the top qualifier going into the medal round. Man of the hour in the last round, Jared McNeil. In the first round, he was on that top spot, but nobody was able to bounce.
You guys are absolute puzzle champions today. Thanks for playing, and we'll see you on the next big adventure. Bye-bye! Welcome, Puzzle Explorers. Today we're matching shadows with our super speedy monster truck friends.
Whoa, look at those cool colors. Red, blue, yellow, and green. They're ready to race.
The lights are dimming, everyone. Can you help us find their shadows?
Go!
3, 2, 1, go!
I'm putting the red truck here. Wait, that's not right, is it?
Nice try, but let's slide it over to the blue zone. Pop! Perfect match! Vroom, vroom! Look at that red machine sparkle. Great job, everyone.
Now for the blue-white truck. Is this the right spot? Nope. Let's keep searching.
That shiny truck fits perfectly in its shadow. Kapow! It's glowing! Yellow truck is next. Does it fit here? No, keep going. You can do it.
Beep, beep, beep. There it is. Our bright yellow friend is locked in and looking sharp.
You mean Devil's Lighthouse?
Last one. Our green monster truck friend is looking for a home. Let's find the match.
Yay!
You did it! Every truck is home. You are total puzzle pros. See you next time for more fun. racers. Are you ready to build the coolest monster trucks ever? Vroom, vroom!
Look at those empty frames. I bet I can fit a monkey head on that truck right now.
Oh, not so fast. Let's think. Does a monkey belong on a monster truck chassis? Let's find the perfect match.
Whoops! That red X means it's a no-go. Keep trying, friends.
Great effort. Now, let's see if the mighty mammoth head fits on our heavy-duty frame. Click! You're getting the hang of it. Which animal buddy goes on the last truck?
Maybe a pig. Oink, oink, let's slide it into place.
Boom! They are all assembled and looking amazing. Fantastic puzzle solving, everyone.
That was epic. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fun. See you next time.
Hey there, super learners. Ready to zoom into a construction adventure? Vroom, vroom! Look at those hard-working diggers go! Can you count all 4 of our heavy-duty friends with me?
Whoa! A magical witch just zoomed by. Where did all their beautiful colors go?
Oh no, they've turned into mysterious outlines. Don't worry, we can fix this with a little color magic. See those shapes floating above? We need to match the right color to the right machine. It's like a giant puzzle.
I think the blue one goes here. Or maybe, wait, that's not right. Uh-oh, the screen says sad face.
Careful, buddy. Take a deep breath and look closely at the shapes. Which one fits the excavator best? Yes, that one clicks perfectly into place. Ding! Keep going. You're doing amazing. No, God! Every single vehicle is back in color. You did it, construction team? Yes!
Even the dancing rat is wearing fancy 3D glasses. He knows you guys are the ultimate puzzle masters.
You solved the mystery and saved the day. Give yourselves a huge round of applause, everyone! See you next time!
Good job!
Hello, explorers. Get ready to meet our heavy-duty construction buddies, the telehandler and the road roller.
Whoa, did they just get zapped into a magic portal? Poof! Now they are just mysterious shadows.
What?
Time to solve the mystery. Can you point your finger at the telehandler's big, sturdy cabin?
Maybe the roller belongs on the roof? Wait, no, that sounds silly, doesn't it?
1, go!
Exactly. The heavy roller goes on the bottom to smooth out the bumpy roads. Let's drag it into place.
Click! Snap! Vroom, vroom! Look at those wheels, locking into place perfectly.
You are doing great! Let's count the wheels together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fantastic work! Ta-da! Our hard-working vehicles are glowing and ready for the construction site. Great job, team!
High fives all around. You guys are master puzzle builders. See you on the next big adventure.
Welcome to our puzzle adventure. Look at our brave yellow tractor friend rolling along the road tonight. Vroom, vroom!
Whoa! Did a flying saucer just zap him? Zap! He looks totally dizzy, poor guy.
Oh no! Our tractor friend is stuck! He needs a special tool to get back to work. Can you help him?
Let's start the clock. 3, 2, 1. Point to the right tool before time runs out.
Go!
Oops, that's not it.
Nope.
The tractor says a big red no to that hammer. Keep looking, team. You found it. Click. He used the wrench to fix his engine. Great job, everyone. Yes!
Is that Crash Bandicoot? He is dancing for joy because our tractor is back in action. Let's dance too.
Fireworks for a job well done. You are all puzzle masters. See you next time for more fun. Bye-bye. Welcome, everyone, to our amazing puzzle adventure under the bright blue sky.
Look, Blaze, Zig, Darrington, and Stripes have rolled onto the beach for some fun. Vroom, vroom!
Oh no, a lightning strike. Who can help our monster truck friends find their missing wheels?
I think this square wheel fits the round spot. Wait, why is it buzzing? Beep, beep! Wrong choice!
That's a tricky one. Let's look closer at the shape. We need a circle to match the tire, not a triangle.
What?
Pop, it fits perfectly! Great job matching those tires. You guys are super puzzle masters.
No.
Confetti everywhere. Boom! Our friends are ready to race again thanks to your awesome help.
Nice.
You did it. Every single wheel is back where it belongs. Amazing! Smash that like button and subscribe for more adventures with our truck buddies. Welcome, puzzle explorers. Are you ready to build some amazing construction machines today? Is that a road roller? Let's see if it fits the mystery shape.
Nope, not that one. Bummer. Let's keep looking.
Maybe this big dump truck is the one. Oh, the no sign says try again.
Watch out. Here comes the forklift with a heavy crate. Beep!
Not quite. That forklift is for warehouses, not our puzzle today. Look at that bulldozer. Is it our winner? Oh, still not it. Wait, the pieces are flying in. Click, clack, zoom. Let's build this mighty bulldozer.
Ta-da! Our strong bulldozer friend is ready to move some dirt. Vroom, vroom.
No. Oh my God!
Next up, our helpful dump truck. Let's snap these parts together. 1, 2, 3, go!
No!
Now for the road roller. Round and round it goes, flattening the ground perfectly. Last but not least, the forklift. Look at those sharp lifting forks. Go up and down.
Oh my God!
We did it! All our construction buddies are here to celebrate. You kids are absolute puzzle masters. High five, everyone.
Hey there, little builders. Welcome to our sunset puzzle adventure.
Look, our construction friends are getting ready for a big job. Can you see them fading away? Whoa! Pieces are everywhere. Is that a giant spoon for a kitchen?
Not quite. Silly. That's a heavy-duty arm for our hard-working digger. help put these silhouettes back together. Okay, team, point at the screen. Where does the big yellow cabin go? Click! Vroom, vroom! Now snap those sturdy tracks on. Perfect fit, just like a puzzle master.
Nope. Beep, beep! Our digger is looking strong. Now can we find the parts for the bulldozer next?
Slide that blade into place. Watch out, it's heavy. 3, 2, 1, kerplunk.
Nice.
Amazing work. We've got 2 mighty machines ready for action. Let's clap our hands for a job well done. You guys are construction legends. See you next time for more building fun. Superstars! Whoosh! Open that window wide. It's a beautiful sunny beach day, everyone.
Phew! Is it just me, or is our hard-working digger buddy melting under that hot sun?
He's giggling because he's dreaming of a giant, icy popsicle. Can you giggle with him?
What? Oh,
Look at him
my
go.
God.
Snorkel on, goggles tight. 1, 2, 3, splash!
Oh, look! A mystery block friend is floating by. Is he wearing a little life preserver?
Cowabunga! A big wave just brought our digger friend back to shore with a brand new smile.
Boom! Pop! What a party! Great job helping our friends celebrate. You puzzle-solving superstars. Hello, puzzle explorers. Look at this magical cloud cube spinning in the sky.
Whoa! Did you see that spark? Our construction friends are getting a super-powered upgrade.
Oh no! The hardworking digger and his pals lost their cabins. Can you help our puppy friends find the right pieces?
Go!
I think the blue one fits the dump truck. Wait, no. Maybe it's the green one? Nope.
Not quite, silly. Let's listen to the beat. Tap your fingers on the screen when the rhythm hits the mark. Click! That's it! You matched the cabin perfectly. Vroom vroom. The mighty truck is looking sharp now.
Look at them go. The heroic fire truck is zooming through the city. Keep that rhythm going, team.
Everyone shout, beep, beep, as our construction crew clears the road. You guys are doing amazing!
Boom! Fireworks for our finished vehicles. We solved every single puzzle like total pros.
We had so much fun building with you. Hit that subscribe button to join our next big adventure. Hey there, puzzle explorers. Welcome to our awesome monster truck adventure park.
Look at those cool shark trucks. Did you count all 4 with me? Oh no! Meteors are falling! Zoom crash! Kaboom! Everything is turning into black shadows.
Don't worry, friends. We can use our detective skills to bring their colors back. Are you ready? Look at that silhouette. Is that the gray shark truck? Point to the matching gray piece.
I think the green one goes there. Wait, no, that's the blue one. Oops.
Ha ha ha, silly. The green shark truck needs his own green parts. Let's drag them together. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Huh?
Ting! Perfect fit. Our shark friends are looking so colorful and happy again.
No.
We're almost done. Only the black monster truck left to fix. Keep going, team.
Did it! Every truck is back in action. You guys are total puzzle masters! See you next time! Welcome, puzzle explorers. Today we have our hard-working digger buddies ready for a big construction adventure.
Whoa, did a dragon just turn our construction friends into shadows? That's super spooky!
What?
Oh no! Look at that sad little kitty. Don't worry, little one. We're going to fix this. Shazam! A magical blue light is bringing our machines back to life. Vroom! They're waking up!
3.
It's puzzle time! Can you spot the missing piece for our hard-working orange excavator? Point right at it!
Maybe it's a giant slice of pizza? No? Okay, I'm just kidding. Keep looking, everyone.
Look, our kitty friend is helping us. She's such a clever little helper. Click that piece into place. She's thinking really hard now. Does that square part fit the yellow excavator? Let's count down. 3, 2, 1, snap! We did it! The machines are complete and looking shiny and new. Great teamwork, everyone! You're all master builders! Whoa! Did you see that sparkle magic? Our yellow loader just lost all its pieces!
Whew, where did they go? It's just a shadow now. Oh no!
Poor hard-working digger is feeling so lonely without its parts. Can we help?
I bet it's hungry for some wheels. Nom nom nom.
2.
First, let's find the big sturdy wheels. Do you see them hiding on the side? Drag them right onto the shadow. Click! Perfect. That's one side done.
Yes! Wait, is that a giant rubber ducky? Oh, silly me, it's the engine cabin.
No.
Nice!
Great job. Slide that cabin right on top of the base. Beep, beep. It's coming together.
Oh no!
We need the scoop now. This helps our digger lift all the heavy dirt.
Wow.
Almost there. Let's snap that big yellow bucket into place. 3, 2, 1, clunk!
Ta-da! Our hardworking digger is back and ready for action. Welcome, Puzzle Masters! Today, our hardworking digger friend is meeting up with a big dump truck for a sunny road trip.
Whoa, oh no, kaboom! That was a super loud surprise, guys.
No way!
Poor guy, he's so sad to see his strong digger friend in pieces. Don't worry though, we can fix it together. Time to be engineers. Let's click these wheels back into place. Can you help me find where they go?
Okay.
Look at those silly skeletons dancing while we work. Keep going. We're almost done building our strong friend.
Chihuahua. He's cheering us on as we snap the final bucket into place. Click! Vroom, vroom. He's back and better than ever. Great job, team. You did it. Even Spider-Man is swinging by to celebrate with us. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join our next big adventure.
Thanos is even joining the party with confetti. You guys are amazing puzzle solvers. See you next time.